plus tan square a by 1 plus cot square a is equal to 1 minus tan a by 1 minus cot a whole square is equal to cot square a. See, what I'll do here is, first let me consider, I'll consider one by one. What is that I am going to consider? Let us see. First I'll consider 1 plus tan square a. I'll consider 1 plus tan square a and 1 plus cot square a. See, I'll write it like this. 1 plus tan square a means sin square a divided by cos square a, and 1 plus cot square a means 1 plus cos squared a by sin squared a. Tan means sin by cos, cot means cos by sin. Here again, if I take the LCM here, what is that I am going to get here? Cos squared a I will get here, and this will be equal to what? Cos squared a plus sin squared a. Again, if I take the LCM here, this will be equal to what? Sin squared a. Here this is into sin squared a I will have to write. So this becomes sin squared a plus cos squared a. So this, if you further simplify, what is that you are going to get? 1 by cos square a. From where did I get 1? Cos squared a plus sin squared a is 1, and this by cos squared a. Sin square a plus cos square a is again 1. So 1 by cos square a, 1 by sin square a. If I take the reciprocal, then it will be equal to what? Sin squared a by cos squared a, and that is equal to what? Tan squared a. Hence I have proved that 1 plus tan square a by 1 plus. See here, sin square a by cos square a is equal to tan square a. That is what I have to prove. sin स्क्वायर को cos स्क्वायर से डिवाइड करोगे तो tan स्क्वायर रहेगा. अब ये भी tan स्क्वायर a के बराबर होगा, ये मुझे प्रूव करना है. तो अगेन आई विल कंसिडर दिस 1 माइनस tan a बाय 1 माइनस कॉट ए, इसका होल स्क्वायर. तो इसका होल स्क्वायर अगर लेना है तो कैसे लेंगे? 1 माइनस tan को हम लिखेंगे साइन बाय कॉस, और कॉट को हम लिखेंगे 1 बाय कॉस बाय साइन. tan is sin by cos, cot is cos by sin. So this, if I take the LCM here, if I take the LCM here, it is cos a by, here 1 means 1 into cos a. So this becomes what? Cos a minus sin a whole square. Here also sin a minus cos a whole square, or I can say divided by sin a whole square. This I can take it as the LCM. Now if you further simplify, what is that you are going to get? Cos a minus sin a whole square. I'll write this as cos squared a, and this one sin a minus cos a whole square. See, a minus b whole square or b minus a whole square, both are same, because if you take minus common here, then see it is just like this, a minus b whole square. I can take here minus 1 common. If I take minus 1 common, it becomes what? b minus a whole square. And square, if I do it, then what will happen? Minus square will become plus. So this is equal to b minus a whole square. So here I can write it as cos a minus sin a whole square, and this I will write it as divided by sin square a. Now if I take the reciprocal, then again this and this will cancel. So what I get is sin squared a by cos squared a, and that is equal to how much? tan squared a, and that is what I am supposed to prove. That is what I am supposed to prove. So here this example, under root 1 plus sin a by 1 minus sin a should be equal to sec a plus tan a. Very simple here, left hand side is equal to under root 1 plus sin a by 1 minus sin a. So this can be written as under root 1 plus sin a by under root 1 minus sin a. So what I have done here is under root a by b is equal to root a by root b. I have used that formula. Now under root 1 minus sin a is there, that I will write it as under root 1 plus sin a by under root 1 minus sin a. This under root 1 minus sin a, I can write it as 1 plus sin a, and this under root 1 plus sin a. Instead of minus I am writing here plus. Now under root 1 plus sin a into under root 1 plus sin a will be equal to under root 1 plus sin a whole square, and this is under root 1 minus sin a into 1 plus sin a, that can be written as a minus b into a plus b, and a is what 1 and b is sin a. So a squared minus b squared, e squared means 1 ka square and b square means what, sin ka square. So what I have done here is a plus b, a minus b into a plus b is equal to a squared minus b squared. Now this formula you know very well. What is it? This square and square root cancels. Under root a square is equal to always a, and sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So 1 minus sin square theta is what? Cos square theta. 1. Sin square a plus cos square a is 1. So cos square a is equal to 1 minus sin square a. So this is equal to 1 plus sin a under root cos squared a. So square root cancel. Here what we get is 1 plus sin a by cos a, and this if you solve it you will get 1 by cos a plus sin a by cos a. 1 by cos is sec and sin by cos is tan, and that is what you are supposed to prove. This is equal to your right hand side. This is what we have to prove, sec a plus tan a. So children, here you see what we have done here is we are using the properties of rationalization of denominators that we studied in class 9th standard, and here what we are using is we are using the identities sin square theta plus cos square theta, and also algebraic part is there. You see a minus b whole square can be written as b minus a whole square also. Both. Next question says cosec a minus sin a into sec a minus cos a is equal to 1 by tan a plus cot a. See, let me start off with the left hand side and see the result. The result says cosec a minus sin a into sec a minus cos a. Let us see what we get if I do this. Say sec a means 1 by sin a minus sin a. Here sec means reciprocal of cos, so 1 by cos a minus cos a. So again if I take the LCM here, what is that I am going to get? 1 minus sin squared a by sin a, and this is 1 minus cos square a by cos a. So children, this if I simplify, 1 minus sin square a, just now I had told you the formula, sin square a plus cos square a is 1. So cos square a is 1 minus sin square a. So wherever 1 minus sin square is there, you can write it as cos square a, and wherever sin a, I can write it as sin a plus 1 minus cos square a is sin square a divided by cos a. So this if I simplify, out of 2 1 will cancel, out of 2 1 will cancel. So what I get here is cos a into sin a is the left hand side. Now you may ask, sir, our right hand side is not equal to sin a, cos a into sin a. Yes, sometimes we may not get left hand side equal to right hand side. In that case, you have to take right hand side separately. What does our right hand side says? Right hand side is equal to 1 by tan a plus cot a. 1 by tan a plus cot a. This can be written as 1 by tan a is sin by cos. Tan a is sin by cos and cot is cos by sin. So if I take the LCM here, what is that I am going to get here? I am going to get here cos a and sin a. And in the numerator, since cos a is there, I have to multiply by sin a, and since already sin a is there, I have to multiply by cos a. So this becomes equal to sin squared a plus cos squared a. So this is equal to 1 by, you know, sin squared a plus cos squared a identity, you already know it, it is equal to 1 by cos a and into sin a. So this is just like 1 by cos a by sin a. 1 by means what? If I take the reciprocal again, what is that? I am going to get cos a into sin a. If I take the reciprocal of it, then it becomes cos a into sin a. Now you see the equation, you compare the first and the second equation, and I think you can very easily say that, sir, left hand side is equal to right hand side. So LHS equal to RHS, and hence I can say that it is proved. So what happens is, sometimes in trigonometry you may start off with LHS and may get RHS, you may start off with RHS and may get LHS. Sometimes you will start off with LHS and will get some values for LHS which may not be equal to RHS. In that case, you have to take separately LHS and RHS, separately solve them and see that both of them are same. For example, here LHS is this, RHS is also same, and then you can say that the two equations, if you compare, they are equal. So LHS equal to RHS, and hence proved.